Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best 3D printers under $200 that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the DINO High Accuracy 3D Printer. This compact and beginner-friendly printer is made from durable ABS material, ensuring it can withstand regular use. Designed for simplicity, it allows users to download G-code files onto a memory card and get printing right away. No prior experience is needed, and its straightforward controls make it ideal for educational environments such as classrooms or workshops. In terms of performance, the DINO printer delivers solid results with its high-resolution layer printing capabilities, reaching up to 0.05 millimeters in precision. It supports PLA and TPU filaments and heats up quickly to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, minimizing waiting times. However, the compact build volume of 100 by 100 by 100 millimeters may limit the size of your projects, making it more suitable for small educational models or prototypes rather than large-scale designs. On the downside, the DINO printer lacks advanced features like auto-leveling or Wi-Fi connectivity, and its user reviews suggest occasional print inconsistencies. While it's not the most versatile option, this printer shines as a budget-friendly entry point for beginners or kids looking to explore 3D printing in a safe and straightforward way. A solid choice for its price. At number 4, we have the K10 Small Entry-Level Portable 3D Printer by EZ3D. Priced at just $108.99, this is the most affordable option on our list, making it a perfect first 3D printer for beginners and kids. The compact, lightweight design fits easily onto desks or in tight spaces, and its straightforward setup process helps new users get started quickly. It includes slicer software preloaded on a TF card, along with detailed manuals and teaching videos. Performance-wise, the K10 works well for basic printing tasks, offering a build volume of 100 by 100 by 100 millimeters and compatibility with PLA and TPU filaments. However, proper leveling is crucial for successful prints, and the manual leveling process can be tricky for absolute beginners. The lack of advanced features like auto-leveling or Wi-Fi connectivity may put off users looking for more convenience, but its open-source design allows for customization, which is great for tinkerers. While the K10 is a fantastic, low-cost option, it's not without its flaws. The limited build size and occasional adhesion issues mean it's best suited for small-scale projects and learning, rather than complex creations. Still, for its price, the K10 offers a reliable introduction to 3D printing without breaking the bank. Coming in at number 3 is the Portable 3D Printer by Generic. This budget-friendly printer is priced at $109.99 and offers a lightweight, compact design perfect for small spaces. It's aimed squarely at beginners, students, and hobbyists looking to dip their toes into 3D printing. With a build volume of 100 by 100 by 100 millimeters and compatibility with PLA and TPU filaments, it allows for a wide variety of creative projects. When it comes to performance, this printer delivers decent results thanks to its 0.4 millimeter nozzle and layer thickness range of 0.05 to 0.3 millimeters. The detachable build plate makes removing finished prints a breeze, and it works smoothly with EasyWare and Cura slicers on both Windows and iOS platforms. However, its printing speed is capped at 40 millimeters per second, which may feel slow for users accustomed to faster models. On the downside, this printer has received mixed customer reviews, with some users reporting occasional issues with print adhesion and software reliability. While it's a step up from the K10 in terms of versatility, it lacks advanced features like auto-leveling or Wi-Fi. Overall, the generic portable 3D printer offers good value for beginners, but may not satisfy more experienced users looking for precision and speed. At number 2, we have the Creity Resin 3D printer Hallet R6. This fully assembled resin printer is perfect for beginners and priced at $139.99, an incredible deal for its feature set. The Hallet R6 boasts high-strength alloy construction, making it durable yet lightweight. Its compact size is ideal for home use, and the orange-coated top cover protects your eyes from harmful UV rays during operation. Performance-wise, the R6 stands out with its integral light source, which provides uniform light distribution for smoother, high-precision prints. The 6.08-inch LCD screen enables detailed resin curing, making it a great option for intricate designs. It also offers a high success rate thanks to its flatness platform and gap elimination nut, reducing misalignments and wobbling during printing. Additionally, the Hallet box software provides user-friendly slicing, and the Creity Cloud app adds convenience with downloadable models. While the R6 delivers excellent results for resin printing, it's not the most versatile option for users who prefer FDM printers or larger build volumes. Its higher weight and more complex operation compared to simpler models may also deter absolute beginners. Still, for precision and reliability, the R6 is hard to beat in this price range. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the fully assembled Mini 3D printer by Asani. Priced at $224.99, this premium option is packed with features that make it the perfect choice for beginners and kids alike. It arrives fully assembled, saving you from the hassle of setup, and includes a complete starter kit with 10 millimeters of PLA filament, a micro SD card preloaded with designs, and slicing software. One of the standout features of the Asani printer is its auto-leveling system, which ensures consistent print quality without manual adjustments. The dual Z-axis rail adds stability for high-precision prints, while the flexible magnetic build plate makes it easy to remove finished models. Its compact size and lightweight build fit seamlessly into homes, classrooms, or dorms, and the 2.4-inch LCD screen simplifies navigation. The Asani printer also supports Wi-Fi connectivity and is compatible with popular slicing software like Cura and Simplify 3D. While slightly more expensive than other options on this list, the advanced features, reliable performance, and ease of use make it a worthwhile investment for users who want a hassle-free introduction to 3D printing. If you're looking for the best balance of quality, features, and user experience, this is the one for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you had any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.